Okay, welcome back to the Heart and Home channel, everybody. This week, thankfully, we are out of the Arctic blast, so we're back into like normal, around freezing-ish temperatures during the day, and gonna be finishing up the upper level here, just kind of doing the rest of the closet and the sides of the bed here. No time to waste, so let's get going. All right, last piece for the bathroom. There we go. That's it. Put this back in there temporarily. Why anyone puts carpet in the bathroom, I don't know. That's gross. I got a variety pack of jigsaw blades, and I'm excited to try them out and see which ones will last a little bit longer through the laminate. It has really been chewing up my normal blades. You probably get like 5 or 6 boards out of them before it just starts melting through them. We'll see what works better. I know that they have like blades that are specially designed for laminate, but my local hardware store did not have one of those, so I'll have to order those specially. Oh geez, what the heck happened here? Wow, that's not good. Go. All right, we are all finished up here. Just need to do some cleanup, but it took me about 3.5 days. It's pretty slow, I'm sure, but there was a ton of cuts to get through all this. We're back on the property today, and it is pretty darn snowy out here. Man, it took me an hour and a half to get everything all out of the trailer, and probably 45 minutes of that was spent trying to jump my car. It's been just a big pain in my side, and I'm excited to hopefully get that part that needs to be replaced. Hopefully that's the issue. Get that all fixed up and have a car that actually starts when I turn the key again. That would be awesome. I think we're gonna start the day by doing a bunch of snow blowing here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna start on the back or the front yet. I know that we're supposed to get a delivery here pretty soon of the rest of our soffit here. Then once we get that, we can really start cranking on the parts that we want to. But I think I'm gonna start back there, start siding the back there, and then work my way here. So let's get to it. We're gonna do a test run on this first sheet here just to make sure. I always like to do one at first just to make sure everything's kind of lined up and working before I ruin a bunch of panels. So we're just gonna drill this real quick and then put it up. Probably be done for the day. Okay, those are all set. Just gonna dust them off real quick. We'll hang this sucker up. Normally what they say to do is to start with the bottom trim, but these berms are kind of in the way of me shooting a line at the bottom. So what I did is I calculated everything out, make sure it's all gonna fit right, shot a line down here, and I'm just gonna marry this, just gonna hang this up here like that and screw it in, and then I'll put I won't do the bottom screws there until I've got the bottom trim in place. It's gonna be a little tricky, but I think it'll work out okay. Cool. It's all lined up. All right, first panel is up. It is our ugliest panel for sure. Thankfully, a lot of the issues with it will get covered up over time. So yeah, that worked out really well. I'm gonna continue working on the rest of these. All right, that's probably all I got time for tonight. it is definitely energizing to start getting siding up on this building. It makes me feel really happy that maybe we're not so far away from getting closed in. So I'm definitely excited about that. All right, that is it for the first batch of wainscot. Now I'm gonna put in the top one here. Cool, not too bad. And then what I'll do for the top ones, I think I'll just mark all those there, because each panel doesn't have always a consistent length. So I don't know, I may pre-drill them on the other ones just to make it easier, but for this one I'm just gonna drill it while it's up there. Okay, all finished. Just need to brush that off a little bit and go on to the next one. I think I'll probably pre-drill the next one though. All right, everybody, that's it for this week. Thank you so much for swinging by and hanging out. It is so exciting to get some steel up on the walls. That just is making me feel so happy. Excited to be at this stage of the journey. Hopefully we get our supplies soon. But yeah, that's about it. If you found this video to be entertaining or insightful, please hit that thumbs up as it helps us out a great deal. And if you're not afraid to go against the grain to pursue freedom and happiness in your own life, then consider hitting that subscribe button, as we're gonna have lots of interesting things in the future to help you along your journey, I think. So I'll catch you guys next time.